drums calling, feel the spirit rising from the valley to the mountain. We keep walking. When the morning sunrise over the hill and the world become quiet and still, we give thanks for the breath we take and the new road we get to make. The river flow and the flowers bloom. Hope can grow even in the gloom. The birds them sing with a voice so free, like a message from the endless sea. Life is a journey, nobody knows all the places that we have to go. Some days bring joy, some days bring pain, some days bring sunshine, some bring rain. But every step that we take today can lead we to a brighter way. Keep your faith and hold on tight. Every soul have a guiding light. Don't let the struggle break you down. Keep standing tall and wear your crown. Through every storm and every fight, keep searching for the morning light. On the journey to Zion, we keep moving on, singing we song from dusk till dawn. We love in our heart and hope in our hand. We walk together across the land. One love flowing through every nation, bringing peace and inspiration. Raise your voice and sing it strong. The journey continue all along. Down by the village when the evening fall, hear the people gathering one and all. The drums beat softly under the moon, creating a sweet reggae tune. The elders speak with wisdom and grace, sharing stories from another place. Them say, never forget where you come from, and keep believing until the victory come. The farmer work beneath the sky with determination in him eye. The fisherman sail through the ocean deep, following dreams that him promise to keep. The builder create with patient hands, helping shape tomorrow's lands. Every worker, every dreamer too, have something special to contribute. Hear the ready rhythm across the air, spreading love and showing care. The bassline move like the ocean tide, with positive energy flowing wide. Every guitar string and every drum sound can bring lost spirits back around. Music unite every heart and soul, helping broken pieces become whole. Don't let envy steal your peace, let all hatred slowly cease. Choose forgiveness, choose respect, choose the love with positive effect. A simple smile can change a day, a kind word can show the way. Every good thing you choose to do can inspire somebody to. When the night cover the earth so wide, keep hope always by your side. Look at the stars above the sea, each one shining with destiny. The tallest tree begin as a seed, growing with patience and what it need. The river travel through rock and stone, finding strength all on its own. Never stop chasing what you believe, never stop planting what you achieve. Every dream have a time to grow, every blessing have a time to show. Keep your heart pure, keep your mind free, walk toward the person you want to be. Children laughing beneath the sun, dreaming about what they will become. Give them knowledge, give them care, show them love is everywhere. The future waiting inside their eyes, like bright stars across the skies. Every lesson and every choice can become a powerful vice. So leave behind a legacy bright, a story filled with love and light. Not by money or fame alone, but by the kindness you have shown. When people remember Yeah, yeah. Oh, Jah, feel the rhythm in the air. Hear the drums calling from the hills. Every heart have a melody, every dream have a destination. When the morning sun comes shining down and the golden light over the town, we rise up with a grateful heart, ready to make a brand new start. The breeze moves softly through the trees, carrying songs across the seas. The birds them fly so high and free, showing what life was meant to be. Every journey of a winding road, every person carry a heavy load, but strength is born from the things we face, and every struggle can find its place. When the rain fall and the clouds appear, remember better days are near. The darkest night will pass away, and sunshine will return one day. Keep your faith and hold on tight. Every soul was born with light. Don't let trouble steal your dream. Life is more than what it seems. Sing the melody of hope tonight. Let it shine like a burning light, through the valleys and through the sea. Love will set the spirit free. One love rising from near and far, shining bright like a morning star. Raise your voice and sing along. Carry the world with a peaceful song. Down by the village when the sun go low, hear the river softly flow. People gather under the evening sky, watching the clouds as them pass by. The elders speak with wisdom and care, teaching love is everywhere. Them say a heart with kindness inside will always have a brighter guide. The farmer plant patient hands, building dreams across the lands. The fisherman brave the ocean wave, with courage strong and spirit brave. The worker rise and do him part, with dedication and a faithful heart. Every person, every soul, help make the world complete and whole. To the night, to the light, the bass I know and the drums did strong. The bass I know, to the night, to the light, the bass I know and the drums did strong. Hear the reggae rhythm through the night, bringing people closer to the light. The bass line roll and the drums beat strong, creating a beautiful freedom song. Music carry messages of peace, praying all division cease. Every guitar string, every drum soul can lift a heart that feels down. Don't let hatred control your way. like stars across the skies. Every lesson and every choice can become a powerful voice. So leave behind a legacy true, filled with love in all you do. Not by riches or fame alone, but by the kindness you have shown. When people remember your name someday, let love be what them have to say. That you brought hope, that you brought light, and help somebody through the night. Sing the melody of hope tonight. Let it shine forever bright. Through the sunshine and through the rain, love will rise again and again. Hand in hand we stand as one, like the earth beneath the sun. From the mountains to the endless sea, we build a world of harmony. Keep the rhythm, keep the flame. Let love forever remain. Yeah, yeah, the melody keep playing, the hope keep shining, the dream keep growing. One love forever. Yeah, yeah. Oh, Jah, feel the vibration. Hear the drums from the heart of the island. Every voice have a story, every soul have a dream. Oh. When the morning sun rise over the shore, we know there is a blessing waiting for more. The waves keep rolling, the birds keep flying, showing we that hope is never dying. The breeze move gently through the trees, carrying whispers across the seas. Another day come with a brand new chance, another reason for join the dance. Life brings sunshine, life bring rain, life bring laughter, life bring pain. But every road that we choose we walk, teach we lessons through every step and talk. No matter how hard the journey may be, keep your faith and your destiny. A strong heart never lose its way, because hope grows stronger every day. Stand up tall when the pressure rise, keep your eyes up on the skies. Every dream that you hold inside can become a river with a powerful tide. The spirit of the people will never fall, it rise again after every call. Through the storm and through the rain, we find strength and rise again. One love flowing from sea to sea, bringing peace and unity. Singing loud, let the whole world know, where love is planted, blessings grow. Down by the village when the evening come, hear the drums and the people under the moon with the stars above. Everybody sharing peace and love. The elders speak with a gentle voice, teaching youth how to make better choice. Them say respect is the key to live, and the greatest gift is what you give the farmer. Wake when the sunrise call, working hard and giving him all. The fisherman sail across the blue, following dreams and starting new. The builder create with patient hand, making homes across the land. Every person have a special part, every person carry a special heart. Yeah, the reggae rhythm fill the night, bringing souls closer to the light. The bass line roll like the ocean wave, giving courage to the strong and brave. The guitar sing a melody sweet, moving everybody on the street. Music carry a message clear, love is stronger than any fear. Don't let anger take over your mind, leave all negativity behind. Choose kindness whenever you can, help another woman, help another man. A little love can travel far, shining bright like a morning star. Every good deed you choose to make continue shine, showing hope will always find. The tree that grows through wind and storm becomes stronger and transform. The river flowing through rock and stone finds a path all on its own. So keep your dream and protect your soul. Keep moving until you reach your goal. Every chapter you write today can lead you to a brighter way. Don't let nobody steal your flame. Remember you carry a powerful name. Children laughing beneath the sun, dreaming about what they will become. Give them guidance, give them truth. Protect the dreams of every youth. The future waiting in their hands, for them to build stronger lands. Every lesson, every word we share can show somebody that we care. So walk with love wherever you go. Let positive energy flow. A good heart is the greatest treasure. A peaceful mind bringing us pleasure. When your journey reach another day, let love be what people say. That you live with honor and grace and brought a smile to every place. The spirit of the people will never fall. Together we can conquer all. Through the sunshine and through the rain, we will rise again and again. One heart, one voice, one family, living in peace and harmony. From the mountains to the ocean wide, hope and love will be our guide. Keep the rhythm, keep the flame, let love forever remain. Yeah, yeah. The spirit still rising, the drums still beating, the love still growing. One love forever. The blessing in the journey. Oh Jah, feel the rhythm in the morning breeze. Hear the drums calling from the hills. Life is a journey, and every step of a meaning. Yeah. When the sunrise touch the ocean side and the golden light begin to glide, we rise up with a thankful heart, ready to make a brand new start. The palm trees dancing on the wind so free, like a song from the endless sea. The birds them fly across the sky, teaching we never stop to try. Every road have a story to tell, every soul have a place to dwell. Sometimes the journey bring rain and pain, sometimes the sunshine come again. But every challenge we face today can guide we toward a better way. The strength inside will always remain, like a flower growing after rain. Hold on strong, don't lose your way. Keep believing every day. When the night feel cold and long, remember your spirit still strong. The blessing in the journey is the love and lessons we find through the valleys and the mountains. Keep a peaceful heart and mind. Sing it loud, let the whole world hear. Hope and courage drive away fear. One love shining endlessly, bringing peace and unity. Down by the river when the evening fall, hear the children laughter call. Families gather under the sky, watching the stars as them pass by. The elders share stories from before, lessons that remain forevermore. Them say, respect the life you live, and remember the more you give. The farm awake when the morning start, working with a faithful heart, planting seeds beneath the ground, waiting for blessings come around. The fisherman sail through the ocean tide, with courage and hope by his side. reggae rhythm fill the air. Spread the love and showing care. The drums beat and the guitar sing, bringing joy with everything. Music travel across the world like a flag that stay unfurled. Every melody and every song can lift the heart that feels down. Don't let anger take control. Protect the peace inside the soul. Choose forgiveness, choose respect, choose the love that bring effect. A helping hand can change your life. A kind word can cut through strife. Every good deed you choose to make can create a better place. Look to the stars above the night. Everyone carrying light, even when the clouds appear. Hope will always be near, like the tree that stand through storm, growing stronger in every form, like the river flowing free. Keep moving toward destiny. The road may twist, the road may bend, but every chapter have an end. Tomorrow bring another chance, another song, another dance, yeah. Keep your dream close to your heart. Every sunrise is a brand new start. Children dreaming beneath the sun, believing great things can be done. Give them knowledge, give them care, show them love is everywhere. The future lives inside their eyes, like bright stars across the skies. Every lesson, every word can become a messenger. So walk with kindness wherever you go. Let the positive spirit flow. Leave behind a name so bright, filled with love and filled with light. Not by riches, not by fame, but by kindness in your name. A loving heart will always show the greatest wealth a person know. The blessing in the journey will guide we through this storm and rain. With faith and love beside we will rise again and again. Raise your voice and sing it free. Let the world feel harmony. One heart, one dream, one family, living in sweet unity. Keep the rhythm, keep the flame. Let love forever remain. Yeah, yeah, yeah. The journey continue, journey continue. Blessing remain, music keep playing. One love forever. Yeah. Oh, Jah, hear the drums calling, feel the rhythm moving. Every soul have a purpose, every heart carry a light. When the morning sun rise over the hill and the world become quiet and still, we open we eyes and give thanks today for another chance we find we way. The cool breeze blow through the valley wide, with hope and courage walking by we side. The birds them sing a beautiful tune under the bright and peaceful moon. Life no always easy, understand. Sometimes we stumble while trying to stand, but every fall can teach me more. Every challenge open another door. No matter how heavy the road may be, keep your faith and your destiny. Like the ocean wave that never stop, keep climbing every mountain top. Hold on strong, don't lose your way. Trust the journey every day. When the clouds cover up the sky, remember the sun still shining high. The light we carry will never fade, through every storm and every shade. Love in our heart, hope in our soul. Together we become complete and whole. Sing it loud from near and far. Let your spirit shine like a star. One love, one dream, one family, living together in unity. village when the evening come. Hear the drums and the people children dancing beneath the sky, watching the stars as them pass by. The elders share stories of yesterday, teaching lessons that never fade away. Them say, respect the life you live. The greatest treasure is what you give. The farmer wake before the dawn, working hard until the daylight gone. The fisherman face the ocean tide with courage and faith by his side. The builder create with patient hand, making dreams across the land. Every worker, every soul, help make the future whole. Hear the reggae rhythm through the street, feel the bass line under your feet. The guitar sing and the drums reply, sending messages across the sky. Music bring people close together through every storm and every weather. Different voices, different ways, still we share the same bright days. Don't let hatred live inside, let compassion be your guide. A little kindness every day can help somebody find their way. A smile can brighten a lonely heart, a helping hand can be a start. The love you plant will always grow, like a river that continue flow. When the night comes and the stars appear, remember, better days are near. The moon shine over the ocean blue, reminding we dreams can still come true. The tallest tree was once a seed, growing slowly with what it need. So keep believing, keep standing tall. You got strength to overcome it all. The road ahead may not be clear, but courage will defeat the fear. Every chapter you write today can lead you to a brighter way. Keep your heart pure, keep your mind free. Trust the person you're born to be. Children dreaming beneath the sun, believing great things can be done. Give them wisdom, give them care, show them love is everywhere. The future waiting in their hands, for them to build stronger lands. Every word and every deed can become a powerful seed. So walk with kindness wherever you go, let your positive energy flow. Don't chase only things that shine, protect your peace and your mind. When people remember your name someday, let love be what them have to say. A heart that cared, a soul that gave, a spirit strong and brave. The light we carry will never fade, it will shine through every shade. Through the sunshine and the rain, we will rise again and again. Hand in hand we stand as one, like the earth beneath the sun. From the mountains to the endless sea, love will bring harmony. Keep the rhythm, keep the flame, let hope forever remain. Yeah, yeah. Keep the light shining, keep the love growing, keep the dream alive. One love forever. Yeah, yeah. Oh, Jah, feel the heartbeat of the island. Hear the drums beneath the sky. Every road tell a story, every soul have a reason why. When the morning breeze come through the valley and the sunlight shine over every alley, we wake up with a grateful heart, ready to make another start. The flowers bloom and the rivers run. Blessings come with the rising sun. The birds them sing a melody sweet, calling everybody to move them feet. Life is a journey we all must travel, sometimes smooth and sometimes gravel. Some days bring laughter, some days bring tears, some days full of doubts and fears. But every lesson along the way make us stronger every day. Like the tree that stand through the storm, we rise again and transform. Hold on tight when the pressure rise, keep looking toward the open skies. No matter what the future bring, keep believing and keep dreaming. The road we walk may be long and wide, but love and hope will be our guide. Through the sunshine and the rain, we will rise again and again. One heart, one voice, one family, living in peace and unity. Sing it low, let the whole world know where love is planted, blessings grow. Down by the seaside when the evening come, hear the drums and the people under the stars with the moon shining bright. Everybody feeling the joy tonight. The elders speak with wisdom and pride, sharing lessons from the past inside. Them say keep your heart clean and true, and good things will follow you. The farmer work beneath the sky with determination in him eye. The fisherman sail through the ocean blue, chasing dreams and starting new. The builder build with steady hand, creating hope across the land. Every person have a role to play, helping make a better day. Hear the reggae sound rolling deep, like a promise that we always keep. The bassline move and the drums reply, sending love across the sky. Music bring the people together, through every storm and every weather. Every rhythm, every song, remind we where we all belong. Don't let anger take control, protect the peace inside the soul. Choose forgiveness, choose respect, choose the path with positive effect. A little kindness every day can help somebody find their way. A caring heart and a helping hand can bring hope across the land. When the night falls and the stars appear, remember, better days are near. The moon still shines above the sea, showing what life can truly be. The mountains stand and the river flow, teaching lessons that we know. Nothing grows without some time, every dream have a chance to shine. Keep moving forward, don't look behind, leave all worries up to mind. Every chapter you write today can lead you to a brighter way. The seed you plant with love and care will become something beautiful and rare. Children laughing under the sun, dreaming about what they will become. Give them guidance, give them truth, protect the dreams of every youth. The future lives inside their hands, waiting to build stronger lands. Every word and every choice can become a powerful voice. So walk with kindness wherever you go, let a positive spirit flow. A good name worth more than gold, a loving heart worth more than all. When your journey reach the end someday, let love be what people say, that you live with honor and grace, and brought light to every place. The road we walk may be long and wide, but love and hope will be our guide. From the mountain Oh Jah, feel the rhythm rising, hear the drums in the distance. Every heart have a journey, every soul have a dream. When the morning light touch the ground and the birds start singing a beautiful song, we open we eyes and give thanks again for another day after the rain. The breeze move gently through the trees, carrying stories from the ocean breeze. The flowers bloom and the rivers run, celebrating life beneath the sun. We walk through valleys, we climb through hills, facing every challenge with stronger wills. Sometimes the road no easy feet travel, sometimes your feet walk over gravel, but deep inside there is a power growing stronger every hour. No storm can break a faithful soul, because love always make we whole. Keep your faith when the road get long, keep singing your victory song. Every struggle have a reason why, every dream was born to fly. The hope we keep will never fade, through every storm and every shade. With love inside and courage strong, we keep moving all along. Raise your voice and sing it free, let the world feel harmony. One love shining like a star, guiding we from near and far. Down by the village when the evening fall, hear the laughter of the people all under the moon and the shining sky. Stories and memories passing by, the elders speak with wisdom and care, teaching love is everywhere. Them say a good heart is a treasure bright, it can bring somebody through the night. The farmer work when the sunrise come, until the day and the work are done, planting seeds with hope and pride, trusting nature as him guide. The fisherman sail across the sea, following dreams of destiny. The builder create with patient hands, making homes across the lands. Hear the reggae sound through the air, feel the rhythm spreading everywhere. The bassline move like the ocean tide, with peace and love standing side by side. Every drum beat tell a story true about the strength inside of you. Music bring the people together, through every storm and every weather. Don't let anger control you, choose forgiveness from the start. A little kindness every day can help somebody find their way. A smile can brighten a cloudy sky, a caring word can help somebody try. The love you give will always grow, like a river that continue flow. When the night comes and stars appear, remember better days are near. The moon still shine above the sea, showing what life can truly be. The tallest tree, beginners are seed, growing with patience and what it needs. So keep standing, keep holding on, until you see the morning come. The road may bend and the journey change, life may bring sunshine and rain, but every step you take today can lead you to a brighter way. Trust your soul, keep chasing dreams that make you whole. Children play under the sun, dreaming of all they want become. Give them guidance, give them care, show them love is everywhere. The future waiting inside their eyes, drums calling from the distance. Feel the bass line moving through the earth. Every morning bring a blessing. Every heartbeat carry a story. When the first light touch the ocean wave, and the birds begin to sing so brave, we rise again with a grateful mind, leaving all the worries behind. The breeze travel through the mountain air, whispering hope is always near. The trees them dance, the rivers flow, showing life of more for sure. Sometimes the road get rough and steep, sometimes the promise is hard to keep, but every challenge that come our way can teach us something every day. Don't let the darkness steal the shine. Trust the journey and trust the time. A little faith and a little love can lift you higher like a dove. Keep moving forward, don't lose your sight. Every soul was born with a light. When the clouds cover up the sky, remember the sun still waiting. I sing the sound of a new day. Let the rhythm show the way. Loving at the heart, peace in the mind. Better days will come fi find, from the valley to the sea. Let the world feel harmony. One love shining everywhere, showing people somebody care. Nobody village when the evening fall, hear the voices of the people call. Children laughing beneath the moon, dancing to a sweet reggae tune. The elders sit and share their word, wisdom flowing like a bird. Them say life is a gift you receive, so love more and learn fi believe. The farmer work when the morning rise, with determination in him eyes, planting seeds beneath the ground, waiting for blessings come around. The fisherman sail across the blue, chasing dreams and starting new. The worker build with honest hand, creating hope across the land. Hear the guitar sing soft and clear, bringing joy and removing fear. The drum beat call from near and far, like the shining of a guiding star. Reggae music carry the message strong, reminding we where we belong. No matter where your journey start, keep compassion inside your heart. Don't let hatred control your soul. Let kindness help you become more. A simple smile can change a day. A loving word can show the way. When somebody feel lost and alone, show them love that can be shown. Every good deed, every caring heart can bring healing to our heart. Look at the stars when the night come down, see how them shine without a crown. The ocean move and the mountains stand, showing strength across the land. Like a tree with roots so deep, all the promises you keep, through every storm and every test. Keep giving life your very best. The river flow through rock and stone, finding a path all on its own. So never doubt the road you choose. Every experience starts something for you. Keep your dream alive inside. Let courage always be your guide. Children growing beneath the sun, dreaming of all the things to come. Give them hope and give them care. Teach them love is everywhere. The future waiting in their hands, for them to build stronger lives. Every lesson, every sacrifice can help create a paradise. So our good patience walk with grace, bring positivity to every place. Don't let material things decide the value that you carry inside. A peaceful heart and a loving way, Hear the drums in the morning, feel the spirit rising. Every soul have a battle, every heart have a victory. When the sun come up over the mountainside and the golden light begin to glide, we step forward with courage and pride, knowing Jah always walk beside. The road ahead may have some stone, but we never have to walk alone. Every lesson and every scar show we exactly who we are. Life brings seasons of joy and pain, some days sunshine, some days rain, but the roots that grow deep inside help us stand through every tide. When the world say you cannot make it, keep believing, don't forsake it. A strong spirit will always find a way to rise and free the mind. Keep moving when the journey long, keep singing your victory song. Every step that you take today can lead you to a brighter way. We are warriors with love in our we are. Every day is a brand new start. Through the darkness and through the light, we keep fighting. Feel what is right, raise your voice and let it be known. Great strength can grow from a little seed sown. One love, one dream, one family, walking toward a better destiny. Down by the river when the evening breeze moves softly through the coconut trees, hear the people singing together strong, creating hope through a simple song. The elders speak with wisdom and grace, teaching respect in every place. Them say never forget where you come from, and never stop until the journey done. The farmer way before the day, working hard in honest way. The fisherman cross the ocean wide, with faith and courage by his side. The builder shape with patient hand, creating dreams across the land. Every worker, every dreamer too, help make the world brand new. Hear the reggae rhythm fill the air, spreading love and showing care. The bass line move like the ocean flow, carrying messages everywhere we go. Music connect every heart and soul, helping broken pieces become whole. Every drum beat, every melody, bring people closer to unity. Don't let jealousy steal your peace, let anger and hatred cease. Choose forgiveness, choose respect, choose the path with positive effect. A small kindness can travel far, shining bright like a morning star. The love you give will always return, like a flame that continue burn. When the night is cold and long, remember you still have a song. Stars above will always shine, giving hope through every time. The tallest tree was once so small, but it grew and stood through all. So keep your faith and trust the way, better moments come one day. The river never stops its flow, even when the rocks below. The eagle never feared the sky, because it was born to learn to fly. So spread your wings and rise above, guided by faith and endless love. Children dreaming under the sun, believing great things can be done. Give them knowledge, give them care, show them love is everywhere. The future lives within their eyes, like bright stars across the skies. Every word and every choice can become a powerful voice. So leave behind a story of grace, bring happiness to every place. Not by riches or fame alone, but by the kindness forever. Yeah, yeah. Oh, Jah, hear the rhythm calling, feel the vibration in the air. Every heart got a story, every soul got a dream. When the morning sun rise over the land, we give thanks with open hand. Another day, another chance, another moment fi join the dance. The birds them singing at the sky so blue, reminding we what hope can do. The ocean waves and the mountain breeze bring peace through the coconut trees. Life may bring some difficult road, sometimes it carry a heavy load, but never let the struggle decide the greatness that you keep inside. Every scar tell a story strong, every weakness can become a song. Like the roots beneath the ground, true strength is waiting to be found. Keep your head up, keep moving on, even through the darkest dawn. Trust the journey, trust the way. A brighter light will come one day. The heart still beat, the hope still rise, like the morning sun across the skies. With love and faith we carry on, sing together from dusk till dawn. One love flowing through every sea, bringing peace and unity. Raise your voice and let it start, feel the rhythm inside your heart. Down by the river where the water flow, people gather where the tall trees grow. Children laugh and elders share, showing love is everywhere. Stories travel from generation to generation, carrying lessons across the nation. Words of wisdom, words of truth, guiding every girl and youth. The farmer wait when the stars still shine, working hard through morning time, planting seeds with patient care, trusting blessings will appear. The fisherman face the ocean tide with courage, standing by him side. The worker build with honest pride, creating hope far and wide. With the reggae sound up on the street, feel the bass line under your feet. The drum start and the guitar sing, bringing joy with everything. Music travel across the world like a flag that stay unfurled. Different people, different ways, still we share the same bright days. Don't let hatred control your soul, let forgiveness make you whole. A little kindness, a little care can bring sunshine anywhere. Help somebody when them fall, show compassion to one and all. Every good thing you choose to do can inspire somebody too. When the night cover up the sky, look above and see stars fly, each one shining with a light, giving hope throughout the night. The river move around the stone, finding strength all on its own. The trees stand tall through wind and rain, growing stronger through every pain. So keep believing in your dream, nothing impossible as it seems. Every flower take time to bloom, every sunrise follow the moon. Walk with courage, walk with grace, leave love behind in every place. Children dreaming, deem it this one, knowing great things can be done. Give them knowledge, give them love, teach them blessings from above. The future waiting in their hands, for them to build better lands. Every lesson and every word can become a messenger. So live with purpose every day, choose kindness along the way. Don't measure life by what you own, measure it by the seeds you've sown. A loving heart, a peaceful mind, treasures rare and hard to find. Leave behind a beautiful story, filled with love and lasting glory. The heart still beat, the hope still rise, like a flame that lights Jah, listen to the waves, feel the heartbeat of the earth. Every ocean have a story, every heart have a song. When the morning light touch the sea, I feel the blessing coming to me. The waves them dance under the golden sun. A brand new journey has begun. The palm trees sway with the island breeze. Peaceful sounds from the ocean seas. The birds them fly across the sky, teaching every dream of you reach up high. Life is a river that continue flow, with many lessons we come to know. Sometimes the road bring tears and pain, sometimes the clouds bring heavy rain. But after every storm pass through, a brighter sky will come in view. Keep your faith and hold your ground. True happiness can always be found. Don't let the worries take your life. Keep shining through the darkest night. Every soul have a special flame, every person have a purpose and name. The ocean of love keep flowing wide, carrying hope like the morning tide. From the mountains to the sandy shore, love will open every door. Sing it loud, let the whole world see a future full of harmony. One heart, one dream, one family, living together in unity. Down by the beach when the evening falls, hear the laughter of the people all. Children playing beneath the moonlight glow, enjoying moments from long ago. The elders sit and share their ways, talking about brighter days. Them teach we kindness, them teach we care, and remind we love is everywhere. The fisherman sail when the sunrise rise, with courage shining in him eyes. The farmer work with patient hands, growing blessings across the lands. The worker build with hope and pride, creating dreams on every side. Every person have a role to play, making tomorrow better every day. Hear the reggae rhythm move through the air, bringing joy and showing care. The drums beat strong, the guitar sing, making happiness in everything. Oh, music connect every heart and soul, helping broken pieces become whole. Every melody and every sound can lift a spirit that feels down. Don't let anger control your mind, leave all negativity behind. Choose forgiveness, choose respect, choose the love that bring effect. A simple smile, a helping hand, can bring hope across the land. The kindness you give will always grow, like a river that continue flow. Look at the stars above the night, everyone shining with a light. The moon shine over the endless sea, showing what life can truly be. Like the tree that stands through storm and rain, growing stronger through every change. Like the river searching for the shore, keep moving forward forevermore. Every dream begins as a seed, growing slowly with what it needs. Every heart have a song to sing, every soul have a chance we bring. Keep believing, keep holding on, until you see the rising dawn. Children dreaming beneath the sun, believing great things can be done. Give them wisdom, give them care, show them love is everywhere. The future lives inside their eyes, like shining stars across the skies. Every lesson and every choice can become a powerful voice. So